Okay, we have a sales dashboard. UI kit has dark and white, dark and light, responsive designs, which are only in light, and some, not too many components. You need to add like an error state here. Okay, I'm going to jump into the mobile first. This is not really optimized for mobile, no offense. It's not terrible, but like font should be bigger and stuff. Contrast issues, you can't see this. I'm gonna do it just one more time. I know people probably hate me for doing this by now, but this is not body text. So if you take this, let's add this color, and then we're gonna just do the white. Figma has a plugin called Contrast. You run it, and you're gonna see it fails unless it's a large text. Okay, so do that. I'm pretty sure it does the same for this and this. I'm not gonna do it again, but this and this as well. If you have a good monitor or MacBook, like that's not really an issue, but for mobile devices and in different conditions, really not working. This is an interesting login. I don't know if I would use that. You can see the contrast like lacking. I don't know, with the conversion, the compression of the YouTube, like the sizes. So a bit more care for the details, but overall it's not like super bad. Also, I like that they don't use like the boring interfont. So mobile needs a bit of a work, tablet, the same, but you can do a bunch of stuff. Let's check out the desktop one. I'm gonna quickly jump through the dark one. And you can already see like this is like not really optimized for dark. This background should be as well. Horrible. I'm pretty sure this doesn't pass the contrast, and it also like really defeats the purpose of the dark mode, because you want it like super big and you don't want like light colors. And this again, bit better, but could be much better. On that, let's have a look at the UX. It does have more data density than most similar dashboards, so that's a good thing. Probably you can reuse a bunch of elements. It does have quite a few of templates that look good, and you could probably reuse a bunch of this stuff. No auto layout, or at least not everywhere, which instantly wants me to not use it. But again, not super bad. With like some minimal inputs, you could actually fix it. So if I go and just brighten up maybe the text, you can already see, again, personal choice, but and it could be more or less neutral, but it already improves the readability contrast. So it doesn't take like too much, because it uses best Figma practices. We should add variables for dashboard and stuff, which will require more work. Same for the tables, but all in all, not a terrible kit. Like you could use it and fix it in a pretty short amount of time. And I do like the data density and kind of elements and components they have. It shows they put some work into this. Yeah, I would probably use this. It doesn't look bad.